Hi, to remove ads on your Poco X7, we got several ways. The first one is we need to find and open Download tab. For that, I'm going to enable my app drawer and manually enter downloads, and here it is. So just open it and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, like that, and choose Settings. After that, just one thing you'll see is Show Recommended Content. It is enabled by default. And if you want to remove ads, you need to disable it by tapping on the switcher. Now we need to do the same for the music app. So search for your music app, which looks like that. Open it. Here you can see advertising. That's okay. Just tap continue in app. And now we would need to choose those sliders in the top left corner and also choose settings. After that, go in Advanced Settings and here scroll down a bit, and also you'll see Show Ads and Personalized Recommendations. You'll need to disable it as well, and also disable to show online recommendations on startup like that. Now let's go back, and after that we need to find our Cleaner app. So let's just enter Cleaner. So this one is placed in Security app actually, so we need to find Security, and here it is. And now just tap the settings icon on top, choose Cleaner here, and after that you need to simply find this tab Receive Recommendations. So it is enabled by default and you need to disable it by tapping on the switcher like this. And now just go back, scroll down, and you'll see in this recommendations tab the same feature, receive recommendations, disable it as well. And now the almost last feature we got is Themes app. So find your Themes app. We got a lot of advertising, so let's close it. On the bottom of the page, choose My Account. Here tap on the settings icon, and also disable personalized recommendations and to show ads just by tapping on the switchers. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.